Hey ladies, it's your girl Hypnotic and I am back with the company YmyHair. Jumping right in, they sent me a silk satin bag, of course HD wig cap, and also an elastic band with their logo and an edge brush. Now, this is the wig. This is their deep wave 13 by 6 HD lace. It is 26 inches and 230 density. Super full, super thick, super luscious, super cute. It is a full 13 by 6 lace, as you guys can see. The lace is HD. It did come pre-plucked. All I had to do was bleach the knots. Super cute, super realistic, easy, quick install, super beginner friendly. Now, I'm going to show y'all how to cut out your ear tabs. I turn my wig inside out and I'm going to take a white eyeliner and I'm just going to mark where my ear is. As you guys can see, real quick, real simple, real easy. Feel where your ear is, the top of your ear, the outline, and then just outline it out. Cut it, and then try your wig on. Everything should fit perfectly, okay? Once you have your fit to your liking, this is what everything is looking like before we get ready to install. I am going to be doing a glueless install, so I'm going to be using the Kiss Lace Bond Adhesive. This is Chef's Kiss. Love it. Holds very good, melts the lace right on in, and it doesn't make the hair tacky or sticky. So I definitely recommend. I got it from my local Walmart and I think it was about $8, so it's affordable as well, not too much. All right, now y'all already know how I get done with my glueless installs. I'm going to spray the lace adhesive on top of the spray, go over that with my blow dryer and my rat tail comb. Once that's dry, we're going to cut off the excess lace and then start our styling. I am going to use my YMI elastic band and we're just going to let that lace melt up underneath for a couple of minutes, and then I'm going to come back and take it off, cut the lace into sections, and then start to cut the excess lace off with a razor. This is just a Gillette razor blade. I got this from my husband. You can get a pack of these, I assume, off Amazon, maybe at Walmart. I don't know where he gets them from, but I just needed a blade, so I got one. Or sorry, a razor, whatever. But as you guys can see, I'm cutting it off, and this is what the lace is looking like, freshly cut off. Now I'm going to take my Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the shade 11, and I'm just going to pop that into the perimeter of the lace. Just make sure everything is blending, looking like my skin. You see that little outer cast white line? That's what that's going to cover up. You ain't got to worry about that, okay? Once we get that done, this is what the hairline is looking like. Very realistic, much more like my skin tone, super flawless, ready to go. Thumbs up. Okay, now I am going to be doing a half up, half down. So here I'm just doing my parting. I'm going to take my Nutrients wax stick. You can also get this from your local beauty supply store, and I'm just going to lay down the sides of my half up, half down, and then run a hot comb through that to get everything nice and flat. Once we get through with that, I am going to pull out my baby hair, swoop and dupe those, mold my hair into the ponytail, and then define the curls with a brush and a water bottle, and then come back to y'all with the finished look. So this is what the hair looks like. One side is wet or defined, and then the other side is dry, untouched, undefined. I love the curl pattern. Like I said, this is just water. I didn't put anything in it, no mousse, but you see the difference from what it looks like dry and undone and then wet. I'm going to take some Ruby Kisses in the shade 9 and I'm going to pop that into my lace where my parts are, just to make it look more defined, to make it look more realistic like scalp. Once we get through with that, I am going to come back with the finished looks. I'm going to show y'all different angles, different looks, you know, get the vibe of everything, how it came together. The hair is really, really good, okay? Like, full from root to tip. Very, very full. I love the curl pattern. It's curly from root to tip. You do get full 13x6 parting space. Like, I don't know, I was feeling myself. I thought I was real, real cute. And like I said, very easy, beginner friendly. It came pre-plucked. All I had to do was bleach the knots. This is what the back of the wig is looking like, as you see. Super full. You can't tell me this is not deep wave, because baby, look at the ripples, okay? Flowy. And we didn't put nothing but water in here. No curl mousse, no curl cream, no nothing. This is just straight water and a little bit of air dry, okay? I'm loving it. I'm gonna come back to y'all with a real-time voice review over of the wig, but I hope y'all enjoyed the tutorial and talk through, and yeah. Okay, ladies, so this is the final look. I am loving this install. I'm glad I did something out of my norm. Half up, half down, so you can see the parting space. It's giving. I did a little bit of baby hair, and this is like a semi halfway wet dry. I didn't want to drench it completely, but the curl pattern looks amazing. It's super, super full. I'm gonna give y'all a zoom in up close of the lace. And y'all, I didn't do nothing to this wig but bleach the knots. I just bleached the knots and put it on. This is little to no makeup. The lace looks really, really, really good. You can't tell me this is not my hair. It's definitely giving scalp. So, HD lace, okay. Zoom back out for y'all. It is super, super full. Like I said, root to tip, really, really full. It falls naturally under my bust, like I'd say right above, well, I say where my rib cage is. So it's still long, even with it being textured hair. I really, really like it. Overall, I would give this a, I say 9 out of 10, just because the knots could have came pre-bleached. But other than that, I like that the hairline came pre-plucked. I did have to bleach the knots, which is okay. You know, most wigs usually have to do that, so not tripping too much. But the hairline is eating. I love the baby hairs. I love the style. I need y'all to comment below. Let me know what y'all think. Give me some honest reviews. And then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video. Mwah. I love you guys. And I'll talk to y'all later.